Stoic Ai, cryptocurrency AI trading bot founded by Cindicator in 2020. Stoic is not just some other crypto trading bot. It combines hybrid intelligence data and quant research and a bunch of other words I don't know to build a diverse portfolio and superior returns. Then every single day, it rebalances your portfolio, aiming to buy more of assets that are poised to trade upwards and selling some assets to consistently take profits and cut any losses. And 30 days ago, I gave this bot $6,658 to invest with. Basically my entire crypto portfolio. And the results are insane, but more on that later in this video. Stoic was deployed into the marketplace in March of 2020, and in the span of just 12 months, their strategies have returned over 2,500%. With that in perspective, if you would have invested $1,000 back then, that means you would have about $25,000 in your bank account right now. And in that same time frame, Bitcoin would have returned still a very impressive 757% increase, or about $7,570 in your account. That means Stoic AI literally 4x Bitcoin SAR. Over the years, I've tried a plethora of passive income strategies. This whole freaking channel is dedicated towards it. And DeFi is one of the many strategies and things that I love about crypto. This space is really not without its bad apples, and many of the strategies I've tried haven't quite worked out in my favor. From outright rug pulls to token prices plummeting and the overall crypto market crashing, it's been a pretty rough last couple of years, and I, for some reason, have this sick obsession of putting my capital in high-risk projects. If you think I'm exaggerating on just how many outlandish projects and ventures I've tried out, let me lay out just a few for you. Relay Fund, an automated crypto trading platform that promised something like 10 to 20% returns each week. They showed video footage of real trading happening, and it ended up being a complete scam. I ended up getting rug pulled on, and it basically rendered all of my staked funds completely wiped out. I may have got a couple $100 back from it, but it was a total scam, unfortunately. Novatech, God, it's basically a curse word in our household. A company that promised about 3% returns a week through crypto, stock, and Forex trading. However, the company was a complete pyramid scheme, and it's effectively run like a cult. I was able to withdraw all my funds from this platform, and I actually did make a little bit of a profit. I wouldn't recommend touching this company with a 10-foot pole. Time Wonderland, a promising high APY company and project that ended up being run by a criminal. And once that was found out, the price tanked shortly after the news broke, and I ended up losing most of my capital in that project. And last but not least, I've also tried my hand at leverage trading. And if you guys have ever delved your hand into it, you know what I'm talking about. It's pretty easy to get stopped out. You over leverage yourself, and Bitcoin doesn't always go up. Sometimes it goes down when you think that it's going to go up, and it doesn't always work out well for you. So I've tried my hand at that, lost more money than I would like to admit. Needless to say, I've gone through the gauntlet when it comes to crypto passive income investing. And for the most part, I would say I've learned from my mistakes. What I like about Stoic AI is that it's a legit trading bot built by a parent company called Cindicator, which has been around since 2015 and understands trading on a much deeper level than you and I most likely ever will. And it takes pretty much all of the FOMO and all of the FUD out of trading, plus you benefit from daily rebalancing and hedge fund grade trading strategies. The team behind Cindicator and Stoic AI isn't hiding behind any fake personas like most DeFi companies and founders are. You can find them all on LinkedIn, and you can see that they have a professional and extensive executive team, which builds a lot of confidence for me and their team. The best part is, you don't even need to stake your hard-earned funds on some sketchy platform that's been around for about 30 seconds. You can simply download the Stoic AI app, API it into your Coinbase or Binance account, choose from one of their many trading strategies, and that's basically it. For me, I chose the long-only strategy as this was the only one available on Coinbase, and this strategy performs best when we're in uptrends, and it basically just buys and sells the top 30 tokens at opportune moments. Before I move on and share with you my results from this venture, I want to take a quick second to tell you about Sofi. Sofi is a savings account, but unlike most savings accounts, which pay you less than 0.5%, SoFi pays you up to 4.5% APY on your account balance. All you have to do to unlock the 4.5% is simply set up direct deposit from your employer, and once you do, you'll even receive a $250 signing bonus. On top of this, SoFi deposits your paychecks up to 2 days earlier and is FDIC insured up to $2 million. I could go on and on about SoFi and why it's become my favorite company to bank with. I seriously can't stop telling my friends and family about it. My girlfriend just signed up for it, and I highly recommend it if you're tired of your current savings account paying you next to nothing. If you'd like to check them out, I've included my affiliate link in the top of the description of the video, which helps out the channel, and it also unlocks an additional $25 bonus for yourself when you sign up using my link. So here's the juicy deets, you dirty little degens. On June 18th, I gave this bot $6,658 to invest with. By July 18th, my account had reached a total of $9,108. That's a staggering 36.78% increase in just 30 days, which is honestly incredible. And when I saw this happening, I couldn't even believe how well the system was working. At a peak, my account had even reached well over $10,000. I think it was about $10,200 or $300. And during this time, I saw the bot predict two large upswings. One was with Bitcoin Cash, and the other was Stellar Lumens. And as these upswings were happening, it began reallocating funds into these tokens to catch more of the upswing. And as some of you may know, XRP recently came out victorious from a long battle with the SEC. And since Stellar Lumens and XRP are very similar projects, Stellar ended up having 100% plus gains in just a matter of days. And somehow the bot was able to predict this and secure some pretty significant gains from it. So very impressive. And at the time of writing this on August 14th, my Coinbase account is still sitting at $8,665, which is still a gain of 30% in a little less than 2 months. And we aren't even in the bull run yet, which is the craziest part to me. Overall, I'm super impressed with Stoic AI, and if you're a degen like me that loves crypto, wants to capture the most gains possible in this next bull run, I highly recommend you give Stoic AI some thought. I predict that we're roughly a year away from the crypto market entering a full-on bull market again. I mean, shoot, with BlackRock and Fidelity and other large hedge funds filing for their ETF applications, once those get approved, that in itself could jumpstart the bull run once again, far ahead of the predicted schedule. Remember to hit the like button if you like this style of content, and consider subscribing to the channel for future updates on my Stoic AI investment returns. Thanks everyone, see you in the next one. Peace.